Welcome to the deep dive of PSOhub, how to leverage task management with Milestone billing. My name is Martin, founder of PSOhub. So PSOhub provides a 360-degree project management solution with budget and contract management, task management, time and expense tracking, and invoicing. At this moment we want to show you some task management in combination with contract management. So in just 3 simple steps you can basically set up your project, set up your contracts, create a milestone task, and when you approve the milestone task related to the contract line, it will be invoiced. So we will start the deep dive with setting up the project, creating a milestone task that will relate to the contract line, and finally we will approve the milestone task, and it will generate automatically by PSOhub the invoice. So let's dive into a project at this moment. We open a project, in this case it's the project development website. We select a template, digital marketing. This is a standard template, by the way, that you can find in the PSOhub templates. And we put all the different contract lines as a fixed fee, as you can see. Don't forget to put some team members in. So we use the new feature, add multiple team members. And there are some team members without a rate, so we will add the rate as well. So when we're done with the contract template, we selected a task board template, and now we create an additional task. It's called Designs Approved. This additional task is a specific task. It's a milestone task. So we will set this Designs Approved as a milestone. So we check the box, set as milestone. And we want to invoice this, we want to relate this task to web design. So whenever we approve this task, it will automatically invoice the web designs here. In this case, we put the project on active, because if a project is not on active, you cannot invoice. As you can see now, the next step is that we will approve every task on the task board, template homepage, landing page, block templates, and customer stories. And in this specific case, we presented this to the client. The client tells us, okay, this is great, we approve it. And as soon as we approve designs and we approve this milestone task, PSOhub will recognize that this milestone task is related to web designs for 15K. We hit continue, and PSOhub generates completely automatically the invoice for $15,000. We look at the invoice at this moment and we show a preview, and when we hit the send invoice button, the invoice will be sent to the client. So this concludes our live demo of PSOhub with milestone billing using task management related to a contract line. There are a couple of takeaways, and we made a top 5. First of all, if you want to leverage milestone billing, you always need to create a task board on the project. So you can create a task board standalone, but you need to create a task board related to a project so we can relate the milestone task to a contract line. Second takeaway is to be more efficient. You can set up a contract template that is already related to a task board template. So when you create a project, those two come in directly, automatically. Third takeaway is, be sure to inform your team that the milestone task will trigger the invoice to your client. Fourth takeaway is when you auto-generate an invoice, be aware that the invoice that is generated by PSOhub is still in stage of draft. So you need to have an internal process to approve the invoice. So after approval, the invoice will be sent to your client by email and will be booked in your financial backend if you have a connection. And last but not least, number 5 as a takeaway is milestone billing is only available for fixed fees and time and material, and cannot be used in combination with smart contracts. This concludes our deep dive. Enjoy PSOhub. Thank you.